seeing that the fear and greed index has been going down, but we're seeing different rips within the crypto sector. It really made me want to do a little bit more research on the exchanges and just checking out some of the volume here, man. You can see on the week some of the best projects on the week, man. We got an AI token right here. Gala up 42% on the week. Locust up 156%. I don't know what this is. SGB up 60%. Mask is a sleeper, man. Do y'all research on Mask. But yeah, I've been really just trying to check the volume here, because even if you look on the top 100, you can see for the 7 day, we're getting some pretty nice rips on some of this technology. And one of the things that I've been asking myself is the confidence returning to crypto? Is the confidence returning to centralized exchanges here? Now, this video is going to be about Chronos. We're going to talk about the volume, potential wash trading, etc., etc. So make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur. Top of the AM on a Sunday. How are y'all doing? Now, what I like to look at is the volumes here by chains on DeFi Llama. And you can see here that the volume is actually kicking off, man. Optimism, another sleeper, layer 2 right here, up 44%. But what I wanted to focus on is Chronos here. Now, the volume, the weekly change on the volume of Chronos is up 86%, and we're actually seeing a lot of action within the crypto space. A lot of people trading, hodling, moving stuff around, deploying their stable coins into the ecosystem. So it's a lot of stuff that's going on with a lot of these exchanges, and just overall crypto is seeing a jump in volume. But again, family, this is what I wanted to focus on, is that a lot of people are using crypto.com over other exchanges. I've been trying to tell you this. It's the easiest to use. It has the most awareness as far as marketing, and its name is just everywhere. And you can see weekly change up 86%. Just comparing that here to Binance, which is sitting at a 21% weekly change. So again, if we go and check the volume here, which is volumes 561 billion as far as cumulative volume right now. Chronos is at 8.6, so still a long way to go. But again, 1 week volume, Binance sitting at 1 billion, and then we go back down here to Chronos, and the 7-day volume here was 13 million. So you're seeing the difference on how big Binance chain really is. Like, Binance is huge, but the weekly change here, Chronos is, I mean, it's not even close. It's up 86%, and Binance is up 20%. Now, that doesn't mean Binance is not doing well, because you can see clearly from the 7-day and the cumulative volume that Binance is, worlds above crypto.com. But as far as new users coming in, I'm telling you, family, the world's fastest growing crypto app. Now, am I bullish on centralized exchanges? It depends. It depends really if a lot of stuff that's going on these centralized exchanges are actually real. So I'm pretty much straddling the fence as far as confidence, but I do want to have exposure. And my personal pick is crypto.com. Now, we have billionaire investor Mark Cuban here, says wash trading will be the next crypto implosion. All right, so if you don't know what wash trading is, let me go down here. Wash trade is a deceptive scheme used by malicious traders to falsify the magnitude of trading value. The goal is that the higher the trade volumes will make the digital asset project appear to be thriving on the surface where it is not. Such misleading growth tends to attract more users to the platform. So this is what you got to be very, very, very careful on. And that's why I keep referring to the DeFi Llama here, not to actually go to the fees, but the DEXs here, because Binance, there's been allegedly, a lot of speculation that it's a lot of wash trading, family, with Binance. Now, that does happen with crypto.com. We don't know. But even Mark Cuban is calling out these bots and these exchanges for using these bots to make it look like the volume is there when it's not. And we're also seeing that a lot in NFTs. So again, this is some of the things, man. These are some of the things in the FUD that they're putting out there about decentralized exchange. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's not true, because you can't trust every and all information in the cryptocurrency space. But again, Mark Cuban calling out these centralized exchanges for wash trading. And it's something that I feel like I don't know how they can make it more transparent to where we can't, we as retail can measure to see if it's walls trading. But you're seeing the volume here up for the centralized exchanges like crypto.com, value up 37%. So of course it is the weekend. A lot of traders get trapped on the weekend. Trust me, I've made my mistakes or trying to move things around on the weekend. It's just like you rather just wait for the weekday, because when a traditional market's open, it kind of gives you a more realistic sentiment in the space, because that's when a lot of institutions and businesses are really making their moves. So we're going to keep an eye out on the volume of these centralized exchanges like Binance and of course crypto.com, because I really want to see how it fares as far as a competition to something like a Binance, which is the king of centralized exchanges. And I want to know from you, family. I want to know from y'all, do you think Chronos could eventually flip Binance in the future? And also, before I actually close down the video, I'm also going to keep my eye on Coinbase, because it literally in some cases gives you an idea, gives you some information to if we are bearish or bullish. And if people continue to sell off Coinbase, eventually it's going to get bullish. Eventually, like, people are going to buy this dip. We know at all-time highs, I mean, Coinbase at one point was valued at $300 versus stock. Now, this is a stock. Coinbase is literally a listed on the U.S. exchange. All right, so these guys are official. So we also want to keep an eye on this exchange, because this is the biggest U.S. exchange, and they're doing everything legit to the key. So we want to keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye on this, and you can see here that Coinbase has been on a downtrend. So we'll just have to keep an eye on this. This your boy Soap Guys TV. Millie, I'm out.